stealing food. Answer me!
No, sir. He gave it to me. He's my friend.
Do you know this too?
No. I just walked in and he was helping himself. I've never seen him before in my life. I'm really sorry for what I did. We are still friends, aren't we?
Are you not allowed out? Why? What have you done?
I'm a Jew.
I can dig under.
You know what? Come over here.
I really want to make up for letting you down like I did, helping you find your dad.
Papa?
It's all right. I think we're just waiting in here until the rain stops.